Hey guys, Sherry here from ifyougivegirlagrill.com, and today I have kind of a crazy recipe to share with you. We have some leftover chili from when my family came over yesterday, so we are going to make chili cheese dog quesadillas on the griddle. I'm just going to slice up some hot dogs. I put down some cooking oil and we're just going to add our sliced hot dogs just to kind of crisp them up a little. So while the hot dogs are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and get out 3 of our large burrito size Mission flour tortillas. And then I'm just going to scooch the hot dogs to the side. And then we'll go ahead and lay down our tortillas. You'll go down first with shredded cheese of choice. And then some leftover homemade chili, really as much or as little as you like. Hot dogs go down next. And we'll just chop with more cheese. Now, here's what I like about using these large burrito size tortillas for quesadillas is you just flip them over and that's just that easy. Sorry, I got a little too excited about that.
I think you should just left that one alone. Well.
Don't eat your quesadillas like this.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, before it falls.
Mm-hmm. It's like a cheese coney, right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. You guys have got to make this. Okay.